there and there. That's it. That is so cute.
Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh my gosh. At Home comes through every year. Look at that. Wow. They got their yard pop-up decorations. Oh, that is cute. That is so cute. That is a very nice scarecrow. I love that. Uh-huh. Oh, look at the decor over here. Everything black. Those are nice. That's nice. Wow, look at this one. Look at that one. Look at the pillows. Black cats. This is very nice. Look at that. Those are beautiful. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. I wonder how much those are. Look at those, Ronnie. Yes. I know those are pretty. I think we have one of those.
Do we?
Yeah, I think we have something like that.
Crystal like this.
Those are nice. Those are nice. I tell you, At Home does it real good every year. Look at that. So the bigger ones are 30. Those are nice. I'm probably going to take one of those. That one right there. Those are nice. I like that. They even come in black. They are black. Those are cute. Look at those pumpkins up there, the ones I like. And those. Yeah, those. How much is that one? Oh. That's cute. I like it. This one's cute. And it's only $12.99. I like it.
Enter if you dare.
That one's nice.
Decor.
Oh, I like that. That's very nice.
That witches.
The good witch and the bad witch. Yeah. Aisles and aisles of pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns. What is that?
Lights.
Oh, for the sidewalk.
For the sidewalk.
Those are nice.
These are nice. A set of 6.
There's only 6 in the box?
6.
6. Wow. We would need more than 6, honey. Oh, wow. Oh, those are cute. Oh, my. Those are cute. More lights.
More lights.
Mhm. Look at the cactus. That's new
Black
and
ones.
unique. I know. Look at that. All black.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Look at that. The base of the skulls.
Oh, that's interesting. Look at the aloe vera plant too, all in black.
And
Wow.
black and black. So,
Black.
Spooky Town.
What is it?
Spooky Town.
Spooky Town.
When you set up a day, it's Spooky Town.
Look what I ran into. Look at these brooms. They're so nice. And they're only $24.99. 24. Those are cute. Looking for a good one?
No, I'm looking for one that lights up.
Oh, they light up?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
But they don't have batteries.
Oh,
But yeah, need batteries.
we'll add one of those to cart. Those are nice. Let's walk in through here, honey. That's nice. Oy. Look at that pumpkin cake stand. Yes, how much is that?
24.
Wow. That is pretty.
That is pretty. Yes. Ugly posters.
Those are nice too.
I like this thing.
I already felt it.
No, what is it?
Let's put your fruits. Mhm. Alright, we're back on this side, getting ready to go look by the checkout aisle because they also add Halloween decorations there as well. And here we are coming to the aisles closer to the checkout. That is an ugly thing. I don't like that.
La momia. Look, Venus flytrap.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Ew. That's ugly. I don't like that. little frog. Look at all these frogs. Look at these. Look at the cat, Ronnie. Oh my gosh. That is a gorgeous cat. Look at the cat. Huh? Borrow Christina's cat. Isn't it? This cat is so adorable.